Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy lemonade at home. It's a simple, refreshing drink perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering just 3 basic ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. Having a good juicer and a large pitcher on hand will make the process even smoother. Let's get started on this delicious, easy recipe. First, roll your lemons firmly on the counter before cutting them. This helps release more juice. Then squeeze out all that fresh lemon goodness. Next, we'll create a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water in a saucepan. Stir continuously over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves, then let it cool. This ensures your lemonade is perfectly smooth without any grainy sugar. Now it's time to bring it all together. In your large pitcher, combine the freshly squeezed lemon juice with the cooled simple syrup. Give it a good stir. Then, gradually add 3 to 4 cups of cold water. Taste as you go to find your ideal balance of sweet and tart. Once mixed, refrigerate your lemonade for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to meld and for maximum refreshment. Want to elevate your lemonade? Try adding fresh mint leaves, sliced strawberries, or raspberries for a burst of extra flavor. You can also experiment with different sweeteners like honey or agave nectar for a unique twist. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking for leak-proof containers to simplify your meal prep, check out the link in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.